What up, tubers? This is Ray from rwcweb.com. If you've been failing at affiliate marketing, you're not alone. Allow me to guide you through all the mistakes I've made and how to recover from them. If you're having problems getting your affiliate thing going, stop. Go to rwcweb.com. Put your email in that form below, and I will send you oodles and oodles of great stuff. Now, I want to talk about these private label rights thing going on here, okay? There's quite a few of them, you know, there's quite a few of them. I don't know if I got any in my Rolodex here, my Google Rolodex, but here's one. Yeah, we got one here. Looks like it. Other than this other one that I just showed you in my last video. Now, what you could do, okay? This is the PLR Master. I believe I actually bought this a while back. Okay. Not a good example of what I wanted to show you. Okay, let me see. Let's stop the video for 1 second. All right, now this was something else. I don't remember what this was, to tell you the truth. You know, when you get old, it's certain things. You know, you forget stuff. Okay. So basically, I don't know what this is. It tells you how to make your own product, okay? And that's cool. Let's see what we got going on. Ooh, scary, huh? Alright, PLR monster.
Darkness falls across the land, and you have PLR close at hand. You'll never need another product again.
Very clever,
Your
very
funds
clever.
will never have to drain.
That's probably why I bought it.
Monstrous package, the finest PLR ever released. With everything included, you'll profit like a beast. Guaranteed to make your eyeballs pop. 99 PLR packages, the cream of the crop. With value oozing.
That's awesome. Okay, now, you know, a lot of these gurus, what they don't tell you is a lot of the ones that, you know, if you can make a video like that, kudos to you, man. I'd be having people make videos, you know, having people pay me to make videos for them with that or do stuff like this, you know. It's all about the presentation, let's face it. Okay, he's got some great colors going on here, okay. Look at that pop up. Very nice, very nice. So this guy's a pro. Whoever did this, a pro. They did it themselves, they went to school for it, or they outsourced it, okay. So now with these products, all right, these PLR products, you're going to actually create your own website, okay? And like here's the site, and let's see what I do a search on this. I did a search for PLR. I did the search PLR. Oh, I wrote it wrong. I was supposed to write 2021. Okay, this is what came up. Okay, so let me correct that. See where it leads me. Okay. Now, and I think my guy just came up. Yeah. Okay, so this one came up right away. There's still King of the Hill. Slow ass website. I don't know why. Maybe they're working on it. Okay, but I'm already over here with them, so let's see where that advertisement took us. Okay, so not only you can download these free stuff here, I think I'm actually affiliate to these guys as well. Okay, but you can learn from it. Okay, you can learn from it. So now this is the search I did. Let me go back to where I was. Okay. Okay, I was right here. Now this is a lot of work. Okay, what they did with this is, you know, they took this, how to write an internet sales page. Okay, that's sell. That's very. I've actually heard that before that phrase somewhere before. So let's check this out and see if we could go find it. Okay. Alright, so what it is take this home. Why is the search here? Okay, we'll go to the search. Come on now. Hey, good website. Okay, here we go. What do we got? Exact phrase. Paste. Any of these words. Let's try this way. Alright, let's just give it a quick search. So now what you could do, there we go. Okay. Now I'm going to do this like this. Okay. And then we're going to switch back to this guy. And there you have it. Okay, so even though it's saturated, it's a saturated market. Okay. Now let's see what this guy is offering this for. I click on this guy. Now this is 2016. So this website has probably been up here for a while. Okay, so now I'm not signed in. You got all the reseller rights rules that you got to go by. You know, and then you could probably, let me see if I can log into this. Okay, back. So now I'm logged in. Probably going to have to do the search again. Let's refresh. Okay, so it's got me there. So if I download this, let's see. Okay, so it's telling me to upgrade. Alright, so I got to upgrade. Probably give me an error message too because, okay, so what you could do, like, let's see what the upgrade is on this. $2021. All these products. Now, when I start to see a long page like this, okay, year-end special, low price, 1-year access, $69, lifetime access. Now, to me, that would be worth it. Matter of fact, I did it. I think I actually paid for this in the past, but I'm not logging in correctly or something. Okay, so for $80, you got access to thousands upon thousands of these. Okay. And what you could do is you can make your own website. Okay, now, back in the day, let me see this guy here. I don't know if I ever turned you guys on to the Karen's power tools. Karen was an old DOS geek like myself. Unfortunately, we lost her a while back. Okay, so this has been since 2014. This was created. So they're probably doing very well still. Now I always check a website too to see if they've aged. Okay, so there's no Facebook going on there because 2014 Facebook wasn't really that popular. Okay, so they have nothing there on their social media. These are most likely going to their websites, creating them SEO for site links, okay, and so forth. But what they did, and I say they because I would be really impressed. I've made some huge websites in my day, but I would be really impressed if one person did this by themselves. And maybe they did, especially back in 2014. Things were a lot slower. Okay. So they made it. I mean, they just try to cover every single thing on the planet. You know, me personally, I don't really, you know, alright, so that was an affiliate link. Okay. Me personally, I don't really have the patience to do all this. Okay. I really don't have the patience to do all this. Like I said, I've made some huge sites before, but I was making money off of them right away because it was either for a client or it was either for my own business as well. Okay. So, but the thing, what I'm saying is what you could do with this is you can narrow this down. Okay. You can narrow this down quite a bit and just say like, I don't know. Let's see. Let's go with all of these words. You know, and I would suggest you use what they call a gross niche. Okay. Hang on one second. Let me go stop this video. All right, just had a little hiccup. Sorry, I just wanted to do a search. Okay, now they say finding profitable niches. Okay, tech niche. Now this is a category. What I call a category. Okay, and everybody's doing all the same. Okay. Let's see, what's a gross niche? Boils. All right, boils. Okay, boils. Right? So we do boils. Let's try that word in our PLR thing. Okay, boils. Try it there. Okay, let's search. Okay. You want to get something, like, for some reason I'm having a brain fart. Okay. It's a pretty broad term. Okay. All right, so it's a pretty broad term. Let me go back again. Actually, this older one might have it. Okay. We'll try it there. Give it a shot. This video is getting too long on me. Okay. How funny. It's coming up affiliate marketing crap. All right, let's look in this category list that they have here. How about self-help? Okay. Self-help is always pretty good, but what I'm trying to say is, like, if you do something like depression, narrow it down. Do it something like what they call a gross niche, like eczema or diarrhea or something like that. It sounds gross, you know, because that's what they are, gross niches, you know. But you could do it like that, okay, and just narrow it down to a category. You know, narrow it down to a category. Don't go with the mainstream crap. You know what I mean? Don't go with the mainstream. You know, 45. Who the frig wants 45 of anything? You know what I mean? Unless it's cash, $4,500 bills. $4,500 bills I'll take. You know what I'm saying? So that number that they put on there, that's a clickbait. Trying to think, oh my God, we're getting, like the Ted's Woodworking, 16,000 plans. Oh my God, you got 16,000 plans for $60. Jesus Christ, that's like less than 3 cents a piece, you know? So, like, look, they got all this, and these guys do this because they got their AdSense and stuff over here. There's other advertisements like that other than AdSense nowadays too, you know, things like that. Okay, but this is a good way to narrow your niche down. Okay, you know, fitness, weight loss, it's so saturated. Unless you're a guru like myself and actually taught people and done stuff and you're in great shape and all, other than that, it's not going to happen. It's just not going to happen. Career training, that's everywhere. Sexual health, that could be a good one. Okay, that could be a good one. Okay, because then you could go into these private label rights. Okay, and you know, you could type in certain things. Oh, this is a messed up thing. Okay, so let's do it real quick, because again, I gotta I'm making this video too long right now for you guys. You guys see what I do for you guys? Okay, I'm over 14 minutes in this. Let's see if this has anything. And then and what it is also, you know, you make the site based on this niche, and then you have these books and everything. Of course not. Of course it didn't find it. Yeah, and then you could download these private label rights things, and literally you don't even really have to change them. You know, overcome phone addiction. Okay, doom scrolling. Bad news is always okay. Things like this. Habits. Okay, narrow it down a little bit. Don't go broad like these guys do. That was the old days when we used to do that. Okay, so this is Ray. the old DOS Geek, rwcweb.com. Gonna ask you to like and subscribe because that's what they tell me to do.